Google just released Google Vids, a screen recorder. So I'm testing it out now to see whether it can record my Ableton Live screen. What I've done is that I've set it to share screen, the entire screen, and also the audio of the system. Let's hear what it sounds like. So this is the demo song from the Drive and Glow set from Ableton. I've set my settings to MME instead of ACO so it doesn't grab the entire audio stack. I've also switched off the input device so that I can use my webcam microphone to record my voice speaking, and audio output device is Audio DX. Let's try loading another demo pack from one of the other Ableton Live packs. Chop and swing. Not bad. So this is what it is with the MME driver. You can probably see that the CPU is quite high. I can't use the ASIO driver because it's not recording. Finally, let's try the Skitter and Step pack from Ableton Live demo song. This time, watch out for the CPU. Not too bad. So it looks like Google Vids is a viable option for recording Ableton Live screens, the entire screen, so that we can do tutorials or demos online.